Welcome to our video. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, I will be sharing important insights on how to master the art of scheduled maintenance in your manufacturing or production business. In this video, we will explore the concept of Scheduled Maintenance Critical Percent, or SMCP, a valuable tool that helps organizations prioritize overdue maintenance tasks effectively. So if you're part of a maintenance or operations team and you want to ensure your production lines are running smoothly, you're in the right place. Stick around for some practical examples and benefits of this game-changing tool. Every company that manufactures goods or runs machinery is well aware that maintenance is a key element in keeping the production lines running smoothly. The larger the company, the more complex these maintenance tasks can become. Most businesses juggle a mix of preventive and reactive maintenance tasks, with some even incorporating predictive maintenance into their routines. These tasks need to be scheduled to ensure they get done regularly or in a timely fashion, but, as we all know, things don't always go according to plan. When maintenance tasks fall behind schedule, it's crucial for a company to know how to prioritize these overdue work orders to minimize any potential issues. That's where the Scheduled Maintenance Critical Percent, or SMCP for short, comes in. It's a handy measurement tool that can help organizations prioritize effectively. Let's dive into what scheduled maintenance actually entails. In simple terms, it's maintenance that's scheduled at a specific time. This can include preventive maintenance tasks like a monthly calibration of a machine, a quarterly lubrication series for a specific piece of equipment, or even annual inspections of entire systems like heating, ventilating, and air conditioning equipment. If a piece of machinery breaks down on a production line, scheduling that repair to be done as soon as possible or during the next shift change is also considered scheduled maintenance. Whether the task is planned months in advance or squeezed in due to an emergency, once it's scheduled as a work order, it's part of scheduled maintenance. The Scheduled Maintenance Critical Percent is one of many measurements a maintenance manager or supervisor can use to help make day-to-day decisions. There are countless metrics available today to measure a maintenance team's performance, which serve as a foundation for continual improvement. All companies should strive to find ways to improve uptime and efficiency and increase the lifespan of expensive equipment through good maintenance practices. The Scheduled Maintenance Critical Percent, in particular, helps maintenance managers determine which overdue scheduled maintenance items are a higher priority. This calculation can help organizations reduce the risk of failure or more expensive problems down the line by organizing the next most important work orders based on this calculation. It can also be used to uncover systematically overdue scheduled maintenance items. The maintenance team can then take a closer look at the root cause of this problem and work to find a solution to resolve this issue for the long term. So, how do you calculate the Scheduled Maintenance Critical Percent? Maintenance managers will be looking at how many days late a specific scheduled maintenance is in relation to how frequently the task was supposed to be completed. The calculation generates a certain percentage, and these percentages and their associated tasks can be placed in order from the highest to the lowest, with the highest percentages designating the highest priority items. Here's an example. Let's say one scheduled maintenance task is 2 days late on a 30-day schedule, while a second scheduled maintenance task is 4 days late on a 120-day schedule. Completing this calculation for both shows you should complete the task that's 2 days late first. Calculating the Scheduled Maintenance Critical Percent carries many benefits for a production or manufacturing organization. These include smarter scheduling, higher auditing compliance, and fewer emergencies. Let's delve into these benefits a little more. Firstly, smarter scheduling. Maintenance managers and technicians are busy enough, so having a proven measurement tool that can help prioritize tasks can be a real game changer. Running this simple calculation for all the overdue scheduled maintenance tasks can be done automatically, generating a prioritized work order list or assignments for the next workday. It can also be used to structure teams and bring in the right level of resources for high-priority tasks. Secondly, higher auditing compliance. Certain maintenance tasks are critical to the safety of employees or the quality of the finished product. Without a tool like the Scheduled Maintenance Critical Percent, it can be easy for tasks to get forgotten or indefinitely postponed, which may place your company out of compliance and result in fines or other difficulties. thirdly, fewer emergencies. The scheduled maintenance critical percent calculation places those tasks that have a higher risk of causing more problems at the top of the priority list. By prioritizing overdue scheduled maintenance tasks using this measurement, these risks can be minimized. Other benefits include a longer asset lifespan by ensuring equipment is maintained at regular intervals and prioritized if they're overdue. This will reduce both maintenance costs and capital expenditures in the long run. It can also help reduce downtime, as anytime equipment fails, an organization can incur significant costs. Production lines that aren't running mean products aren't being made, and employees are being paid when they cannot work. Lastly, it can prevent hidden losses. In addition to the cost of downtime, companies may have unhappy customers who are receiving orders late and suffer from reputation damage in the long run. The scheduled maintenance critical percent is an excellent tool that companies can use to put those overdue work orders in the right order. This, in turn, helps lower a myriad of costs and decrease expensive downtime. As one of the foundational metrics in maintenance, the scheduled maintenance critical percent can guide an organization's strategy to maximize the benefits of preventive maintenance. Thank you for joining us today. We've covered the importance of the scheduled maintenance critical percent, or SMCP, and how it can help organizations prioritize overdue maintenance tasks effectively. We also explored some benefits of this tool, such as smarter scheduling, higher auditing compliance, and fewer emergencies. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about our tools and resources, visit us at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep your production lines running smoothly.